What if you could design a complete professional website with hero section, portfolio grid, contact form, animation in just under 10 minutes without touching a single line of code, and it's for completely free as well. In 2026, AI has completely changed the way how the website get built. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly live, how to create a website like this, where you have, a super good design and everything is built by AI. Stay until end of this video because I will give you some prompt formula that you will get great result, 90 percentage super result all the time. The traditional way of building website, you are looking like 6 to 12 months, 12 weeks, right? For work where the designers, dev, testing, launching, and thousands of dollars spent on designers and developer. The learning curve involve like learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Figma for UX, right? And the list go on. The AI way, currently is like you describe what you want in plain English, right? You just say it to AI in plain English, and the AI build it for you. We are not talking about like a clunky drag and drop templates here. I mean real exportable responsive code that like a developers write and generate in a few seconds. Today I will walk you through top AI tools for building a portfolio site, which will be live on the screen, and you can share exactly the workflow which I use in every project. And once you build this, you just need to push this to your server, and it's like a live website. So what you will learn in this tutorial today, or what we are covering, we will give you like the top 5 AI websites tools, like where you can use each one, and we will be doing a live demo using Bolt.new. The third one is like a star prompt formula, like how you should write a prompt, which will be a game changer. And the fourth tip is like how it's a pro tip where you make when your AI site looks 10x better, right? So that's like some tips for you. There are a few tools which are dominating AI website design in 2026, and in my opinion, Bolt.new is my personal favorite for building a full stack application. You simply describe your app in plain text and it generates you a complete React project with styling and functionality. The other one is like v0.dev by Vercel. It's incredibly good for generating like individual UI components. So you may have to work with different tools together, and this need like if you need like a pricing table or like a testimonial sections, v0 can give you like clean and copy paste sections, so you just can work with v0 for specific component sections. Framer AI is a designer's choice, stunning visual website with animations. If aesthetics are your top priority, this is your tool. Wix ADI, the most bigger friendly. You ask like 5 questions, get a complete website ready for to publish. Zero technical knowledge required for any of these AI tools. And in today's tutorial, we are going to use Bolt.new because it's give you the most control and you own the code completely. Okay, so we are going to use Bolt.new today. What you need to do is you need to simply open Bolt.new in your browser, and you will see a simple text prompt, and here is what the magic does, right? We just need to put a prompt and it will start creating your website. So if you see, I'm already in Bolt.new. You have to create an account and you have to log in. It's free, completely free, and it will ask you to, it will give you a prompt where you just need to give a prompt. Here for example, I given a simple prompt like create a modern portfolio website for a free UX designer, right? And these are my content which I have given, like what the section it should cover, what should be the style, which should be purple and white, and to use React and Tailwind CSS and mobile. It should be responsible for mobile as well. Once you press enter, you can see it started creating the whole section, what it will include, and it has taken a lot of actions, right? Writing different components, right? you can see it has written all the files, HTML, CSS, everything it has written, and then you are able to see the work over here. The final result, right, like a super responsive website, like a professional portfolio where you can click, you can go through, right? You have a contact form, everything is built very super friendly, right? And it's super good. Whether it what how much time it took, it just took like around 2 minutes for me. So people usually stop at the first prompt. So don't just stop at the first prompt, right? Because you can do a follow-up where you can give more prompt and fine tune. For example, I want to change the color to a deep violet. So I'm going to ask it to like change the primary color to deep violet, and it will start thinking about it in the AI, then let's see what it does. So you can see it's already started, updating different files to change the color scheme. So you can see it has done the changes, right? The portfolio now features sophisticated deep violet color scheme, right? So you can see it has made different changes, right? You can also ask more changes if you want. You can ask for more changes. For example, add sticky navigation bar with smooth, and you can ask for more. And I don't. I think I have used all my tokens, which were free, so that's why it's asking me to pay for it. But you can come back, when you have free limit. So I've been trying around on this for some time, so that's why I'm running out of the token, but it give you some free tokens for every day. If you're super interested to buy, you can buy the applications and you can pay for it as well. The interesting part is like you can export the whole code. You can export the whole project. You can have GitHub integration. You can share. So that's why you can own the whole code and then you can edit on top of it. So that's the super interesting thing. You can just click on export and you can export it. So let me also share you some prompt framework, because when you ask for the prompt, right, what we asked, like create a modern website, that's the demo we did in to generate the portfolio, where you can get how the portfolio is created. Then you can also see some refining using different prompts. This was also we have seen. Some secret formula is about the prompt, right? How you want to structure your prompt when you ask AI. The first one is called S, and we call this framework as star framework. Okay, so S is for the structure. Like list every section and page in your prompt. Be specific about your layout as well. The second one is about the theme, like name your colors, font, mood, dark theme, inter, font, lots of white space, right? So you give those information like about the theme. Then the next one is about adaptability. Always give the like whether you have to have the website mobile responsive, even though most AI tool handle it automatically, but give them specifically saying that mobile response, so that it can explicitly guarantee it. The last one is about recipients. Define your audience, like if it's like a freelance designer targeting startup clients in 2026, or if it's like for a professional site in your company or whatever it is. So use this approach. You have a structured way of defining what you need in the website, about the layout and everything. Give the theme, and give the adaptability and also the recipients, so that it can create a website as you need. The more context you give, the better the output, and vague prompts get mediocre site and specific. You don't get that professional side if you don't give the proper prompts. So three tips if you want to level up, combine different AI tools. For example, as I said, you can use v0.dev to generate specific sections like pricing table, and you can paste that code into your Bolt project. So both tools, both can work together. Always, export your own code. So, download your files and host in like Vercel or Netlify. Both are free for a personal project, right? So you can download this code and you can host it in your own environment. So don't get logged into platform and which you can't leave, right? And tip three is like a specific beats wake every time. So make saying like make me a nice website, which is not good. A modern SaaS landing page for a project management tool targeting remote team, dark team, that gets something you actually pay for, right? So don't be just weak. So that's all. No, for this quick recap, right? Use Bolt.new for full site, V0 for components, use star formula, and use proper prompt, right? And that's it. Now you have everything you need to design a professional website with AI today for free. I would like to know from you like which AI tool you are using to try first, right? Bolt.new or V0.dev, Framer AI or Wix. Drop your answer in the comment below. I read every one of it. Let me know how it worked out for you, like if you are able to build a proper website using a proper prompt. If this video saved you some time or money, hit the like button. It really helps this channel to reach more people. And I would also ask you to subscribe if you want more videos on AI or DevOps, those kind of things to be notified to you. The demo code from this video I can link into the video description. So see you on the next tutorial.